Sorry.
We are docked in Progresso, watching the birds and the fish. It's a dog-eat-dog world, and I'm wearing milk-bone underwear. Got them all. Swim like the wind. Why are you swimming on the surface, fish? It doesn't make any sense when we got these guys. These pelicans.
Pelicans are just like, nom, 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 nom.
Yeah, they don't mess around. It's like all of you, every single bit of you in my stomach right now.
I would think these big fish.
Oh yeah, they're just waiting.
They might be going for smaller fish.
This is like me after 3 hours at a buffet. They're probably full.
No, I'm gross.
No, you're not gross. Wait.
Nah.
So did y'all have fun today? That's what I want.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun.
Fantastic.
Absolutamente way. Hi Megan.
That's what all inclusive is like.
Yeah, that was
Come
fun.
around. Hey, bring me another one.
That was a lot of fun. Did you go in the beach, Dad?
A little bit.
It was so cold.
Down in the water, up to my ankles, maybe my knees or so.
Yeah, we got in there. My goodness, that was nice though. The little buffet was delicious. I kept eating the little empanadas.
I didn't even.
You didn't eat anything?
It gets in the way of the alcohol.
This is fun. Before, when I go off the bus, I had to piss like a Russian.
Oh my gosh, I bet you did. Look at all those little, are those seagulls sitting on the water? Those
Yeah.
baby pelicans.
So those are seagulls, I think.
It would be cool if they're just a bunch of like baby pelicans. They're like, oh, waiting on mom and dad.